Factory Obscura transports visitors to what looks, sounds, and feels like a different world.
It definitely takes us out of our everyday element, and so much distractions of just light and happiness here. It's so much fun.
It's fun, but not in an art gallery or museum. This is an immersive art experience in Oklahoma City for all ages.
It's art that is all around you. It's an entire world handcrafted by artists that is meant for you to come in and be a part of. You can touch it, you can climb inside of things, you can slide down things, you can open up drawers and discover things.
Factory Obscura is featuring its latest project called Mixtape. See flashes of the past and the joys, angst, and hope of growing up.
I'm still of the generation where we used to make each other mixtapes and we used to make each other CDs, and it's just that nostalgia, which is very comforting and fun.
Mixtape is a journey through the emotions that can be expressed through music, and in particular, giving music as a gift in the form of a mixtape. You can't help but have an emotional response. And so we started talking about those emotional responses and ended up kind of categorizing them into 6 different emotional zones, sort of. And those are the emotions that we explore in Mixtape. So as you move through the experience, each room is designed to make you feel something different, and those were inspired by the music. So right now we're sitting in wonder. And wonder is this sense of kind of the infinite, that deep sea or deep space, maybe it's a combination of the two, are places of wonder.
About 30 artists contributed to the sights and sounds of the Mixtape exhibit. It's an exhibit that's here to stay, and organizers say there's much more to come with it.
We have an endless supply of ideas that we are always sort of chipping away at and adding to. So we see Mixtape as being a permanent experience, but it also grows and changes and evolves over time because we can't stop adding things to it.
Mixtape through Factory Obscura offers an art playground for everyone to engage in creativity, curiosity, and connection.
I think that we miss in our daily life sometimes, especially as we grow up. And especially now, in a world where we're dealing with a pandemic and other things, we really need it, that sense of fun and play and discovery. And that's what this is all about.
In Oklahoma City, Quinn Tran, Discover Oklahoma.